Dudes, what's up? Welcome back to the vlog. We got Brent here. AJ came out tonight. So we're at the Nova Center in Chateauguay, Nova Career Center. This is at the high school and they teach other stuff, auto mechanics, welding, a bunch of cool stuff like that. And tonight is a car show fundraiser. They're doing a food drive, they got live music. So while the music's not playing, I'll take advantage, talk to you guys and show you guys what's here. The idea here tonight is everybody shows up, brings their cars and stuff, and they bring some non-perishable food items, and they're doing a food drive. So this is all for charity. What a great occasion, what a great idea. So let's check out the cars that are here tonight. You guys all know that ugly Malibu right there. It's AJ's now. This is Brent's new car. And
sweet deal. Straight up, key for key.
got all kinds of mileage now. It's good. You stand beside that one like you own it though. But in all seriousness, Brent brought the Malibu down. I brought the RX-7. We unfortunately didn't get to park next to each other, which kind of sucks. But yeah, where's Jean-Marc? You guys seen Jean-Marc anywhere?
Here's Jean-Marc. He's hiding.
So I hear them putting the music back on here soon, so we don't get copyrighted. I'm gonna show you the rest of these cars that are here, throw some music on top of that, make our very own montage. That way everything's good. show. We're gonna keep it short and sweet tonight because I'm gonna go hang out with the boys. Enjoy the rest of our evening. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share it. Peace out and stay happy.